Hello, in this tutorial we are going to look at converting between different data types. So there may be certain scenarios where you have like a floating point number, for example, and you need to convert it to a integer, and luckily Python alongside many other languages provide built-in data conversion. So first of all, let's create a variable, call it var1, assign it a value of 6.7. so we are going to print off var1, and to actually convert it, all we do is we're going to print it off again. Just do the data type that we want to convert it to. So we're going to convert it from a float to an integer. So we are going to put int, and we're going to do var1, save that, run it, not save it, we just run it in here. And there we go, 6.7, and now it's rounded it to 6. So it's not technically rounding, it's truncating it, so it gets rid of the rest of the values. So you can convert, from integers to floating point numbers. We have long data conversion, string conversion, list tuple, carry to conversion, a whole heap of different type of conversions. So what I'm going to do is put a link with this video, and it'll have all the different types of data conversion you can do. And as an extra task, I want you to go through all the different ones and just experiment with it. So that's it for this demo. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.